The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is not just another SUV. It's the rebirth of an icon. For years, Jeep enthusiasts begged for the return of a V8-powered Wrangler. And in 2025, Jeep delivered something truly remarkable. The Rubicon 392 stands as the most powerful, capable, and exhilarating Wrangler ever built. A machine that redefines what off-road performance means. Underneath its rugged, boxy shell lies a heart that beats with pure American muscle. This is not a hybrid, not an eco-focused crossover. It's an unapologetic powerhouse designed for adventure, thrill, and dominance both on and off the road. The Rubicon 392 isn't just about nostalgia. It's about performance evolution. Jeep engineers took everything people love about the Wrangler. Its trail-ready toughness, open-air design, and 4x4 heritage, and injected it with raw V8 adrenaline. The result? A vehicle that can climb mountains, crush dunes, and still rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4.5 seconds. The name 392 comes from the legendary 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, the same powerhouse found in Dodge's muscle cars. But here it's tuned for Jeep's off-road DNA. That combination, American V8 muscle with Jeep's rock-crawling capability, creates a completely new breed of SUV. This is not a Wrangler for the faint-hearted or for casual weekend drives. It's a beast that roars to life with a deep exhaust growl and dominates any terrain you throw at it. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement that adventure can still come with horsepower, heritage, and heart-pounding excitement. At the core of the Wrangler Rubicon 392 lies a 6.4-liter naturally aspirated HEMI V8, producing a monstrous 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to make it the most powerful Wrangler ever built, and one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Press the start button, and the engine comes alive with a thunderous rumble that feels more muscle car than SUV. The exhaust system features an active valve setup that allows drivers to switch between a subtle purr and a full-on growl at the touch of a button. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Rubicon 392 delivers effortless acceleration, whether you're on the tarmac or deep in the wilderness. Jeep claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds, and it feels every bit as quick, especially considering its size and off-road focus. The 4x4 drivetrain uses Jeep's advanced Selec-Trac system, which automatically adjusts torque distribution between the front and rear wheels for maximum traction. It also includes Dana 44 axles, Fox high-performance shocks, and electronic sway bar disconnect for serious off-road articulation. On-road, the 392 feels surprisingly refined. The suspension is tuned to handle high-speed cruising, cornering, and comfort, without sacrificing its off-road toughness. Whether it's mud, sand, snow, or asphalt, the Rubicon 392 adapts instantly, delivering control and stability. But make no mistake, this Jeep wasn't designed to be quiet or tame. It's loud, bold, and brimming with personality. When the V8 roars, it reminds you why enthusiasts missed this sound for decades. The Rubicon 392 is not just powerful. It's wildly alive, the perfect fusion of Jeep heritage and HEMI performance. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 stays true to the iconic Wrangler design, boxy, rugged, and instantly recognizable, but adds subtle touches that signal its immense power. From the outside, it looks muscular, confident, and ready to conquer any challenge. Up front, the signature 7-slot grille has been slightly modified to enhance airflow for the massive V8 engine. The functional hood scoop isn't just for show. It feeds cool air directly to the power plant via the HydroGuide air induction system, which keeps the engine breathing even in heavy rain or while fording water. The bronze-colored accents on the tow hooks, badging, and wheels are unique to the 392 variant, giving it an unmistakable identity. The wider fender flares and raised stance highlight its off-road readiness, while the optional half-doors and removable roof panels bring out the Wrangler's adventurous spirit. This is a vehicle meant to be seen. It exudes dominance whether it's parked downtown or tackling rocky trails. The 33-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels give it an aggressive stance and unmatched ground clearance. The rear design features LED taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and a full-size spare tire, all integrated seamlessly. The 392 badge subtly reminds onlookers that this isn't your average Wrangler. It's the ultimate version. Despite all its muscle, Jeep kept the Wrangler's essence intact. Open-air freedom, modular design, and authentic adventure styling. The 392 just adds more attitude, more presence, and a deeper growl to match its looks. It's both a classic Jeep and a modern beast, built to dominate any environment with style and strength. Step inside the Wrangler Rubicon 392, and you're greeted with a cabin that combines rugged functionality with refined comfort. Jeep made sure that while the 392 is performance-oriented, it doesn't compromise on luxury or usability. The leather-trimmed seats feature bronze stitching and embossed Rubicon 392 logos, perfectly matching the exterior details. The seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in all climates. The driver's seat is positioned high, giving commanding visibility on any terrain. The steering wheel is thick, leather-wrapped, and features paddle shifters, a first for the Wrangler lineup, allowing manual control over the 8-speed transmission. This small addition completely changes the driving dynamics, making you feel more connected to the V8's power. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, featuring a large 8.4-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice command. It's responsive, intuitive, and easy to use even with gloves on, perfect for adventurers. Every surface feels durable yet premium. The rubberized materials, exposed bolts, and water-resistant floor mats remind you this is still a Wrangler at heart. You can remove the doors, roof, and even fold down the windshield, all without losing modern connectivity or safety systems. Audio comes from an Alpine premium sound system, which can blast your favorite tracks as loud as the V8 roar outside. Combined with the open-air design, it turns every drive into an immersive experience. While performance is the star of the show, the interior ensures that comfort and technology enhance the thrill, not distract from it. The Rubicon 392 might be the fastest Wrangler ever, but it hasn't sacrificed its off-road DNA. In fact, Jeep engineered it to be the most capable version in the lineup. The HEMI 4x4 system delivers true off-road mastery with a 2-speed transfer case, 4.10 axle ratios, and locking front and rear differentials. Whether you're climbing rocks, crossing rivers, or driving through sand dunes, the Rubicon 392 powers through effortlessly. The Fox high-performance shocks provide excellent damping on rough terrain, while the 2-inch lift kit offers more than 10.3 inches of ground clearance. It can ford up to 32.5 inches of water, thanks to the HydroGuide air intake that channels water away from the engine. Jeep's off-road pages give real-time data on pitch, roll, steering angle, and drivetrain engagement, all displayed on the infotainment screen. This allows drivers to monitor performance while tackling extreme conditions. The 35-inch tire compatibility, steel bumpers, and skid plates mean the Rubicon 392 can take punishment most SUVs wouldn't survive. And despite its size and power, it remains remarkably composed, even on narrow mountain trails. The addition of a V8 doesn't just make it faster, it also enhances control on climbs and descents. The torque delivery is instant, allowing the 392 to crawl over obstacles that lesser engines would struggle with. Simply put, the Rubicon 392 doesn't just go off-road, it owns it. It's a vehicle that laughs at limits and encourages you to explore farther, faster, and louder than ever before. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 represents everything enthusiasts have ever wanted from a Wrangler. More power, more capability, and more excitement. It's a bridge between two automotive worlds, the off-road legend and the American muscle icon. In an age where SUVs are becoming quieter and more digital, the Rubicon 392 roars in the opposite direction, loud, mechanical, and gloriously alive. It's proof that Jeep still understands what adventure truly means. The combination of a 6.4L HEMI V8, iconic 4x4 engineering, and modern luxury creates a package unlike anything else on the market. It's not just an upgrade. It's the ultimate expression of Jeep's heritage. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it drinks fuel like a muscle car. But that's exactly what makes it special. It's authentic. It's not pretending to be efficient or quiet. It's built for those who want to feel power, hear thunder, and explore without boundaries. Every time you start the engine, you're reminded of why the Wrangler has been an icon for decades, and why the Rubicon 392 stands as its boldest, baddest version yet. The 392 isn't just the most powerful Wrangler ever. It's the most emotional one, combining heritage, horsepower, and heart in a way no electric SUV ever will. For those who believe adventure should roar, not whisper, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is the only answer.